To monitor EveryDollar zero-based budgeting, start by understanding the concept of zero-based budgeting, which means assigning every dollar of your income to a specific category, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you achieve this. First, sign up for an EveryDollar account and set up your budget by adding your income and expenses. Categorize your expenses into needs, such as housing and utilities, and wants, such as entertainment and hobbies. Assign every dollar of your income to one of these categories. Next, track your spending throughout the month to ensure you are staying within your budget. EveryDollar allows you to link your bank accounts and credit cards, making it easy to track your expenses. You can also add transactions manually if needed. Regularly review your budget to make adjustments as needed. If you find that you are consistently overspending in a particular category, consider reducing the amount allocated to that category or finding ways to cut back on expenses. A key concept to keep in mind is the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests allocating 50% of your income towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. This can serve as a guideline to help you allocate your income effectively. To get the most out of EveryDollar, set financial goals, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund, and track your progress towards these goals. EveryDollar also offers a mobile app, allowing you to access and manage your budget on the go. By following these steps and consistently monitoring your EveryDollar zero-based budget, you can gain control over your finances, reduce stress, and achieve your financial goals. Remember to regularly review and adjust your budget to ensure you are on track to meet your financial objectives.